This morning I've decided to visit another part of Thomson Nature Park just to see what it has got. So this is the trail that's supposed to lead to some streams. Let's take a look. Beautiful greenery here. This road comes right up to the top of a little knoll, a little hill, and now it goes downward with these little tracks here to go down all the way, and lots of big trees around here. Very shady. For those who don't like to walk in the sun, this is the most ideal place to take a morning walk. All these are the wild plants inside the jungle here. And this is a clump of very old bamboo, leaning right across the road. This track here is a bit old and not so smooth, so you've got to walk very carefully. And with yesterday's rain, parts of it are wet. So I have to walk very carefully to prevent falling down. And now here you see again these beautiful, my favorite, tree fern. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Wow, it's very nice. You can see lots of aerial roots here, probably belonging to plants who are desperately in need to look for sunlight, and has climb up all the trees here, and then start to let aerial roots come down to search for nutrients. And this is another example. This particular creeper is going to creep all the way up, and as it goes up all the way, you'll grow aerial roots and it come down. Not a soul in this Thomson Nature Park this morning. I'm only the lonely soul walking here. Yeah, look at that. Trees are so mature. The roads are not in very good condition. And look at this part here. The roots of this particular tree has even come out onto the road here. So you've got to be very careful not to trip on these roots. I hear the sound of cicadas in the background. So this one leads to the streams and fern trail. Figs are a very common plant in this part of Singapore. Yesterday I showed one that is a creeping fig, and here you've got some big fig trees as well. They call it Ficus variegata, which is red in color. Let me see whether I can find some of the fruits or not. They are a good source of food for the animals in this part in the jungle. Oh, look at this tree. Simply majestic. Look at that. Look at the way it's grown. Wow. There are some signs of previous habitation here. The steps here leading up to the building here, I suppose it's all torn down, and you can still parts of the railing that you can see here, you see? Yeah, and these people have all been resettled elsewhere. This is the shaggy-leaved fig or Ficus villosa on the board here. But here in real life you can see it up here. There you are. This is the one that's been shown on the board. They call it the shaggy-leaved fig, and it's climbing up to get the sunlight. This structure that you see here is a cover for a square well that belonged to the Han family that lived here in 1943. As you can see the story here, the story of the Han family. They lived here in 1943. So they built this large well to supply water to the family and to their plants, to the farm around them. Beautiful sight. Look at all the aerial roots coming down. Very nice. Some of you may remember this name, Lorong Pelita. So this is Lorong Pelita, and this is also another stretch of Lorong Pelita. This is another fig tree. Look at all the fruits there. Okay, it's been an interesting walk to another part of Thomson Nature Park, and I shall leave you here and start my journey back. Okay, have a nice day, such a beautiful morning, and take care, bye bye.